Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'll be unboxing the new July edition of Boxycharm. Look how like this box came in like completely like destroyed. Thanks, postman. So if you guys want to see this review, see what's in here, then definitely keep on watching. I know that we are getting a eyeshadow palette in here. It's why I left my makeup completely undone so that I can just like go along with this. But look how I tore that. And I have to do a thumbnail, so this is classy. All right, so let's see what we got in here. So it looks like I got a flash facial from July 7th through August 3rd. I have this coupon, I think it's for $10 at the Ultra Skin Bar. I believe it is a coupon that you can use. All right, I'll take that. I wanna look just like that, for sure, for sure. This box is called Boxycharm All Natural. Ooh. And we got 5 items in here. As always, guys, Boxycharm does retail for $20 a month. Obviously, they have to pay for taxing and shipping, so I think it retails for like $22.97, I believe. It is a monthly installment that you get charged every first of the month, and then every 3 months you can elect to do an upcharge to do a Boxy Luxe, which gives you like 9 to 10 full-size products instead of the standard 5 full-size products. So that's actually pretty cool, and I am a part of that. First item I got is the Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. It's a nourishing prebiotic green mask, and it's advanced skincare. Feed the skin with this versatile super green mask formulated with avocado and broccoli seed oils, rich in omega fatty acids to help support the skin's moisture barrier. Vitamin C and passion fruit acids help to brighten for a fresh looking complexion. It says apply the mask twice a week on a cleansed skin. A slight tingle may occur while the mask works as magic. Remove after 10 minutes with a damp, dark cloth. But like, why does it have to be dark? All right, so this retails for $35, so let's try this out. I have cleansed skin. Alexa. Hey Siri.
That's not a name I can respond to.
Set a timer for 10 minutes.
Okay, 10 minutes and counting.
And now we wait. Oh my god, I try to be so smart and do my eyebrows beforehand and mess it up. So it says to use a dark cloth to wipe away the mask, but I only have a white cloth, so we're gonna do that. That's the reason why it specifies, like, yeah, I'm just making my face so red. It smells really good, actually. It smells like you're at a spa, like a luxurious spa. Like a lot of like mint smell to it. Very nice, very nice. For the next thing that we got is the Luxy Kaya brushes. So this is a 3-piece brush set. It says create the perfect look with your new eco-friendly Luxy brush set. Apply foundation with the Luxy 510 foundation brush. Blend your eyeshadow with the Luxy 250 large blending brush. And precisely apply color to crease with the Luxy 246 precision crease brush. And this retails for $30. I can tell you guys right now that I love Luxy brushes. I use them all the time. The formula is amazing. Ooh, these have like an all natural look. These have like a nice wooden look to it. I really like that compared to like their other one has a nice like, the other one has like a nice gloss feel to it. Don't mind the dirty brush, but these have a nice wooden feel to it, and I love how soft the brushes are, for sure, for sure. But I'm not gonna use these today because I'm using another brush to do my makeup look. So the next thing we got is the Butter London eyeshadow palette. Now this is a natural goddess eyeshadow palette serving queendom realness. Bring out your inner goddess with London's vibrant natural goddess eyeshadow palette. Enchant with Enchant with 6 highly pigmented, long-lasting shades. Whether you're feeling like a diva or a temptress, these cruelty-free shades pair effortlessly to create imaginative looks that will make a powerful entrance. And this retails for $32. Not bad. All right, so let's go ahead and look at these. All right, these are not bad colors at all. They look a little bit on the cool tone pale side. I'm not gonna lie, I love the packaging. First off, the packaging is freaking gorgeous. But when you actually look at the colors, like they don't really stand out that much to me. I hate saying that, but they don't really stand out that much to me. There seems to be only 2 mattes and 4 shimmers, although I don't know if stars are shimmer. Ooh, but that is really, really light. So we're gonna go for it. All right, so the first one I'm gonna go into is I'm gonna go into this color Temptress, and I went ahead and I concealed my eyes. I'm using one of my blinged brushes that was sent to me in PR. Y'all, I have a video coming up on these brushes. You guys are gonna wanna watch that because you guys have no idea what I have in store for you guys using this beautiful crystallized brush. Like, I literally can just stare at this brush all day. It is, seriously, it's freaking heaven. Like, okay, hold on, can we just take a moment to appreciate this brush? Let's just take a moment to really appreciate this brush. Man, God, it's gorgeous. All right, so I went ahead and get some eyes. I'm just gonna take this little packing brush and I'm gonna start to pack out my lid. There's a little bit of kick up in the palette, not too much though. God, I can't get over how beautiful this brush is. And it's actually working really, really nice actually. It's definitely packing down the color. It's blending out the shadow. All right, then I'm gonna take my E3. This is a blending brush, and I'm going to buff out the outer edge just so that it's not such a harsh line and it looks like semi cared about. I always have one eye that performs so badly and the other eye always performs so good, and I don't know why. All right, so my next step, all right, so I'm gonna take my E4 blinged brush and I'm gonna take my concealer because I'm actually going to conceal out my eyes, shocker, because I'm gonna use some of these shimmers that we have in here. So far the palette's not bad. I'm liking the color scheme of it. It's really, really soft. All right, now that that eye is concealed, I wanna go into this color Star right here. And I'm gonna take the same concealer brush I just used. I'm just gonna damp it up just a little bit. And I'm going to pack it into the color Star. Nice green. And I'm gonna start to pack that right here. It's not a bad color. I'm gonna go back into my buffing brush that I just used, back into Temptress, just so I can buff this out just a little bit. All right, now that that is laid down, I'm gonna take my finger, I'm gonna go into this color Enchantress. It's like this beautiful champagne color. Look at that. I'm gonna pop it right next to this green. Y'all, I created such an original look for y'all. What? No one else has ever created this look before. I have never created this look before. So pretty. Not bad, not bad. The next color I'm gonna go into is this color Femme Fatale. And I'm gonna place that underneath my eye. I am using a Luxie mini angled brush. Is this the right brush for the under eye? No, but it is today. Y'all, I know that looks crazy, it looks messy, but honestly, I'm not disappointed by this palette, but it's not my favorite palette. I mean, there are definitely some really beautiful colors in here. You have a lot of the Green Goddess colors in here. You have a lot of nature colors in here, but this is by far not my favorite palette around. The colors are really beautiful. They're really soft, and the palette only retails for $32, which isn't bad, but then you're also paying $30 for 6 eyeshadows. So that can be a little pricey. So Moving on, the next item that we got is this Appeal Gel Liner in the color Desert Taupe. So it's like a brown eyeliner, which I think would be great for this eye look, and it's and it retails for $21. I don't think I've ever worn brown eyeliner before, so this is gonna be a first for me. Hopefully it goes with this eye look, but we'll find out. It's not a bad color, I just don't know if it goes with this look. So I'm going to finish the rest of my face off camera because we're gonna come back because the next thing I got was the Almere Cosmetics Mother of Pearl Gloss. This retails for $10 and it is a juicy shade lifting lip luminizer drenched in the pearlescent reflex. Formulated with rich sea buckthorn extracts and camellia oil, this Mother of Pearl Gloss will hydrate your lip while delivering a smooth, shiny, iridescent effect. Completely non-stick, wear it alone or over your favorite lip liner to create lip liner or to lipstick. Gluten-free, talc-free, and as always, cruelty-free. So let's actually take a look at the pigmentation of it. So it's just a sheer gloss with a nice little shine to it. Has a little bit of a scent to it. I probably would never wear this gloss by itself just because I feel like it's just like a nudie lip with just a sheer gloss. I'm not the biggest fan of that. I like having some sort of color, so we'll come back and do that. But until then, I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face and I'll be right on back, guys. All right, guys, and this is the final look. So overall, I think it came together very, very nicely. I do really like how the eyeshadow turned out. Am I a big fan of the eyeshadow palette? It's alright. It's not the best eyeshadow for me. Like, it's not the best eyeshadow palette that I have, but it is really nice. I feel like this looks like it's popping up, but like, it's not. It's glued down. I feel like that's popping up, but it's not. It's glued down. But anyway, I really do feel like the eyeshadow palette, it's on the basic side. It's nothing like overwhelming, but I think it really is gorgeous. It's really, really great for anyone who wants to do like really soft, natural looks. Like this right here is going to be the eyeshadow palette for you for sure. When it comes to the Elemis Super Mood Veggie Face Mask, I mean, I feel like my face looks radiant, but I mean, it takes a while to really see how a skin product performs. You can't just base it off of one first time impression. So I definitely want to keep trying this out right here. So I'm really glad I got this. As for the Luxie brushes, I can tell you right now, I'm already gonna love these brushes. I do love Luxie brushes. I feel like the bristles are so soft. They blend your eyeshadow very easily. I know this is like a foundation brush, but I never use these for foundation brush. Like they're just so weird. So like, I kind of just like leave them sitting by. But these two brushes I'm so excited to dig into. As for the eyeliner, it's okay. It's a brown eyeliner. I've never actually played around with brown eyeliner before. There was a Desert Taupe. So I'm excited to keep trying this. It's a gel liner and so far it's holding up really well, so I do like that. And then I also really do love the Almere lip gloss. I think it's really gorgeous. It's a great topper you could have had to any shade. It does have an iridescent shift to it. It's also like a gold to rose gold reflex in it, and it's really gorgeous, and I feel like it enhances any type of lip you put on. So, and it's really soft, it's not sticky, and it actually smells pretty good, so I'm really glad I got this. And the last thing is they gave you like a 10% like facial that you can get at Ulta, I guess, with one of these products. That's actually kind of cool they're doing this. Hopefully I find the right Ulta for this, so we shall see. But yeah, guys, that is it for this Boxycharm unboxing. It's been a hot minute since I've actually done a look using any Boxycharm products. Usually I just have my makeup already done and I just film myself like unboxing it with you guys. But this time I tried to do like a little bit of a wear for you guys to see what you're getting. I do love Boxycharm. Was this the best box I got? No, I really liked my Boxy Luxe that I got last month, and this isn't the best box, but I think I really do like the theming of it, the all natural, so I really am glad that I got it. So that is it for today's video, guys. Please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, because I do post 2 videos a week. I also have 2 giveaways going on my channel. I'm giving away the ColourPop Honey eyeshadow palette along with 2 Super Shock shadows, and I'm also giving away an East Hold vanity mirror, and I will have both videos linked down below as well as somewhere in this video, so make sure you guys go check those out, and also make sure you guys stay tuned to my next video because I have a big surprise for you guys. So until then, guys, I love you, and I'll see you guys in the very next video. Bye. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Oh fuck. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'll be doing another unboxing of the July edition of Boxycharm. Sorry, let's just start that over again. I'll be reviewing. Alright, this thing's how this box is destroyed. Oh, well, we're just gonna tear into it because I've already tore into it. To do Boxy Luxe Moisture Berry. To help the a slight tingle may occur while the mask works its magic. A slight tingle may occur while the mask works. While develop.